Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your profile picture or your profile icon in your Ubisoft account. So first, head into ubisoft.com and you will see this profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Click on this. Then you will see this large icon beside your username and level of your account. So click on this icon. And then you have a choice of avatars that you can use for your account. So let's set this, then click save. That's it. As you can see, I have changed my profile picture, but we can also change it using account management tab. Click on account management. And then click the account information. Here you can also edit your profile picture. Click the pencil icon here. And then choose an avatar of your liking. And then simply click the choose. And then let's go back to our Ubisoft and reload this. As you can see here, the new avatar or profile picture has been updated. And that is how to change your profile picture or profile icon in your Ubisoft account, and thank you for listening.